Hello, dear students. We have been studying about the sulfuric acid. Now we are going to study about the uses of sulfuric acid. So, the question is sulfuric acid is called king of chemicals, or a nation's industrial strength can be judged by the quantity of sulfuric acid H2SO4 a nation produce or consume. Why? What is the reason? Why the chemical is given so much of importance that we will understand only by studying its uses. Sulfuric acid is a very important industrial chemical. Sulfuric acid is used to produce hundreds of other compounds. Sulfuric acid is used in the manufacture of fertilizers like ammonium sulfate and superphosphate. Sulfuric acid is used in the refining of petrol or petroleum. Sulfuric acid is used in the manufacture of pigments, paints, dyestuffs, intermediates. That means the intermediate chemicals produced during the manufacture of these pigments, paints, and dyestuffs, sulfuric acid is used. In the detergent industry, whenever we produce detergent, sulfuric acid is used as one of the important ingredients. Then we have so this is how we can easily understand the other uses we want to see it. Sulfuric acid is used in the metallurgical operations, for example, for the cleansing of metals before enameling, for electroplating, for galvanizing. Sulfuric acid is used in the storage batteries. We have already seen into the electrochemistry that in the lead storage battery, sulfuric acid is used as an electrolyte. In the manufacture of nitrocellulose products, so whenever nitrocellulose is produced or if there other products belonging to nitrocellulose are produced, this sulfuric acid is very useful and used as a very important laboratory reagent. So this is how we can understand the various uses of sulfuric acid. My dear students, hundreds of chemicals for their manufacture we require sulfuric acid, or they cannot be produced without the production of sulfuric acid by the country. So that is why sulfuric acid is called either the king of chemical or it is the measure of the nation's industrial development. Now we want to study some of the in-text questions that belong to the chapter. Mention three areas in which sulfuric acid plays an important role. So the three areas are in the manufacture of fertilizers like ammonium sulfate or superphosphate, in the refining of petroleum, and in the metallurgical processes like cleansing of metals before enameling, electroplating, as well as into the galvanizing. We have even seen that sulfuric acid is very useful into the storage batteries. It is also used as an intermediate to produce the intermediates in the paints, pigments, and other dyestuffs. And there are so many other uses of sulfuric acids available. Then we have the next question. Write the conditions to maximize the yield of sulfuric acid by contact process. To the key process for production of sulfuric acid is the oxidation of sulfur dioxide. When sulfur dioxide is oxidized, it is a catalytic process, and this process is done at the 720 Kelvin temperature and 2 atmospheric pressure. So to get the maximum yield, it is necessary that we maintain the low temperature. The optimum temperature that needs to be maintained is 720 Kelvin, and we maintain high pressure, so the optimum pressure that we need to maintain is 2 bar. We need a presence of catalyst also, so the catalyst which is used is a vanadium pentoxide. Now the question is there, why Ka2 is less than Ka1 for H2SO4 in water. So H2SO4 when added to water, H2SO4 is a very strong acid so it dissociate or ionizes. H2SO4 plus H2O, that gives H3O plus HSO4 minus. You know that H2SO4 is acid 1 and its conjugate base is HSO4 minus 1. H2O behaves as a base and this is its acid 1 is H3O plus. So what we can say that H2SO4 is very strong acid, so it dissociate or ionize almost completely, and Ka1 for the above reaction is greater than 10. At the same time, HSO4 minus is a base as compared to H2SO4. Thus, if HSO4 behaves like an acid, it is a weak acid. HSO4 minus plus H2O, that gives H3O plus SO4 minus 2. HSO4 minus being weak acid ionizes or dissociate less than H2SO4, and that is why Ka2, the value that we get is 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 2, which is approximately 0.012. Thus HSO4 minus being weak acid, the value of Ka1 is far greater than Ka2, or we can say that the value of Ka2 is lesser than Ka1. So I hope, my dear students, you have been enjoying the studies about H2SO4 or sulfuric acid. Now we should start the study about group 17, which are known as the halogens. We'll see about it into the next video. I hope, my dear students, you are enjoying. Happy learning.